Hello everyone, today's menu will be caramel apple spice cake. This cake is soft, moist, and so delicious with the gooey goodness from the caramel. So if you're ready, let's get microwaving. Okay, in a small bowl, we're going to add in the dry ingredients. We have flour, sugar, baking soda, and allspice, and just a pinch of salt. And then I'm just going to mix it to combine. Okay, and then I'm going to add in the wet ingredients, and this is applesauce. And then some milk, and this is almond milk that I'm using, but you can use whichever milk that you like. And then I'm just going to add in some olive oil, and if you don't want olive oil, you can go ahead and add some melted butter. And then I'm just going to mix it to combine everything well. It smells amazing. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm going to pour it into my smaller microwave safe bowl. You can go ahead and just microwave into the bowl that you're mixing it in, but I'm gonna pour it into a smaller one. Okay, and then now this is ready to go into the microwave for 1:40 seconds or until the toothpick insert in the center comes out clean. Here is the end result of the microwave caramel apple spice cake. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!